guys, it's Lynette here. So I just wanted to do a really quick review of one of my favourite products. It's the Nivea Tinted Day Cream. I'll just show you the box here. Currently at the moment, when I picked it up, Boots were doing it for £2.66, but they quite often put it on for £5, and you can pick it up then. One difference I have noticed is it no longer just says light. The original one says light, but the new one says light skin tone. So I'm thinking that must be something to do with advertising the brand. Now it's tinted, it's a day cream, it's 24-hour moisturising, it's got vitamin E and mineral pigments, and it's also got an SPF 15 through it. Now I don't use this as a moisturiser on its own. If I was quickly rushing out the house, I might do that, but I always do my morning skin care routine, and then I use this as a foundation instead of a foundation. So it does even your skin tone and provides a natural radiant complexion. Now I would absolutely agree with this. I find that when I put it on, I feel like my skin, it gives my skin a nice glow. It makes my skin feel really radiant as well. Now I've tested the two formulas and they're exactly the same on the back of my hand. I did muck up that video when I did that. So I'm just going to show you, they are both exactly the same. So you'll see here, if you're very, very pale, this might be too dark for you, but it does rub in. And it does cover your complexion, it does cover your blemishes. If you've got particularly bad outbreak, I would put concealer over it, because I really don't like full coverage foundation at all. So it does even out my skin tone, which is what you want your foundation to do. I don't want a foundation to mask everything and then almost have to draw in your features and the bits that you've taken off your skin. So yeah, I just want something to even my skin tone, if there's any redness to it. However, for any kind of heavy spots or whatever, I use a concealer. But I just wanted to pop on and say this is £2.66 at the moment in Boots. They quite often do two for £5 as well. And it's got coloured pigments, reflecting coloured pigments as well, which is what probably gives you the radiant complexion. I have looked online to see if there's any other colours, but the only thing I can see are the light skin tone. I don't know if Nivea do any other colours, but this is the only one that I've managed to track down either in store or online. But I just thought I'd pop on and tell you that, you know, sometimes cheap and cheerful works out the best, but this really is one of my favourite foundations. Well, it's not even a foundation, it's a tinted moisturiser. But yep, I really enjoy using it, and I wanted to let you know that, and I'm going to be doing more of these little short videos just to pop on and let you know my thoughts about my products that I'm currently using, or what I would recommend, or controversially, what I'm not liking, you know, kind of almost a rate or hate type idea. So anyway guys, thank you for watching. I'll speak to you soon. Bye.